Today we are talking about Automation Training Center. An Automation Training Center is a facility or institution designed to provide specialized training and education in automation technologies. These centers focus on equipping individuals with the skills necessary to work with automated systems, robotics, industrial processes, and software automation tools that are becoming increasingly prevalent in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and more. Here's what you can typically expect from an automation training center. 1. Course offerings. Industrial automation, focus on programmable logic controllers, PLCs, human-machine interfaces, HMIs, distributed control systems, DCS, and supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA systems. Robotics automation, courses that teach programming and operation of industrial robots used in production lines. Software automation, training on software tools like RPA, robotic process automation, platforms, automating business processes in sectors like finance and HR. IoT in automation, courses combining automation with the Internet of Things, IoT, to train individuals on smart systems and sensors. AI and machine learning in automation, training that covers how artificial intelligence and machine learning are applied in automating complex decision-making processes. 2. Certification programs. Automation training centers typically offer certification programs in various automation technologies, giving learners credentials that are recognized in the industry. Examples might include Certified Automation Professional, CAP, Siemens, Rockwell, or ABB PLC certifications, robotics programming certifications, for example, from FANUC, KUKA. 3. Target audience. Engineers and technicians, people looking to upgrade their skills in industrial automation for better career opportunities. IT professionals, those interested in software automation, like RPA and process automation. Students, particularly those studying electrical, mechanical, or computer engineering. Industry workers, employees in manufacturing, logistics, automotive, and similar industries that use automated systems. 4. Hands-on training. Many of these centers are equipped with labs where participants can practice using real-world automation hardware and software. This includes programming PLCs, running robotic simulations, and working with various automation tools. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to @Kalim Robotwala.